Yes, let us see the next problem. In this problem, the level of difficulty is increased. See, the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meters. Find its area, also find the smallest altitude. So what is given in the question? Sides of a triangular plot. It means we are having a triangle. And we are having a triangle, and in that triangle the sides are in the ratio 3:5:7. Now we will not take the sides as 3, 5 and 7. Because it is given the ratio is 3, 5x. We can take that they can be 30, ratio 50, ratio 70. It is actually 3:5:7. The sides can be 15, 9 ratio 3 5 is 15 ratio 21. Now, what is this? 9 ratio 15 ratio 21. Again, this is 3:5:7. Is it clear? So, the sides can be anything. ठीक है, साइड्स ये भी हो सकते थे, साइड्स ये भी हो सकते थे. तो हम इसलिए इसको क्या नहीं लेंगे? 3, 5 और x नहीं लेंगे, 3, 5 and 7 नहीं लेंगे. What we will take the sides as? We will take the sides of the triangle B. A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 5x, C is equal to 7x, a common multiple x. So, what we have taken? Let the sides of the triangle B, whenever the ratio is given, we have to take the sides as A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 5x, C is equal to 7x. Clear? Now, what more is given to us? And its perimeter is 300 meters. Okay? So, perimeter is equal to 300 meters. So, these two things we are getting directly from the question. This much information we are having. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the area. First question. And second question, we have to find the smallest altitude. Okay, question is clear? Now, whenever a problem is given, first you have to find what information is given to you. कभी भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो सबसे पहले देखो कि इसमें क्या हमको दिया हुआ है और फिर उससे हमको क्या निकालना है. ठीक है? So the two questions are there and both of these questions are having the marks. अब आप एक करके छोड़ दो एरिया निकाल के, you will not get the marks. So you have to take care. Now, perimeter is equal to 300 meter, and what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the sides. So A plus B plus C is equal to 300 meter. So what is A? 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. Okay. So 15x is equal to 300. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 20. Means here we are not knowing the sides. We are writing them as 3x, 5x and 7x. So we have to find the variable. So with the help of the perimeter, we will find the value of the variable. A variable क्या निकल आया? 20. Now with the help of this value, we can easily find what are the sides. The first side is 3x. So it will be 3 into 20, 60. Second side is 5x. So 5 into 20, 100. And third side is 7x. So it will be 140. Clear? Now when we have to find the area, so it means we have to find the sides. So the sides are 60, 100 and 140. Now to apply the Heron's formula, we have to first find S. So what is S? S is the semi-perimeter and perimeter semi-perimeter, and it is A plus B plus C upon 2. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 300. So directly we can apply 300 upon 2. So it will be 150. Clear? So we are having S, we are having A, B, C. We can easily calculate the area. So what will be the area of triangle? Area of triangle will be 150 S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So it will be 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. So under root, we are writing the numbers we are writing the factors of the number. So what are the factors of 150? We can write 150 as 3 into 50. 90 as 9 into 10. 50, we are writing simply as 50. 10 को अपन ने 10 दिया. What is our final answer? 50 into 3 into 10 under root 3. So which will be, ये under root 3 कहाँ से आया? 50, 50, 150 will come out from the root. Then 9 is the square of 3. So from this 9, this 3 will come. So the area of the triangle is 1500 root 3 meter square. 1500 root 3 meter square. So this is our first answer. क्या पूछा था अपन से? Find its area. So the area of the triangular plot कितना आ गया अपने पास? The area of the triangular plot is 1500 root 3 meter square. So what we are having? Sides. Sides कितने अपने पास? 60 meter. B is 100 meter and C is 140 meter. And what is the area? Area of the triangle is 1500 root 3 meter square. Now see, what is our next question? Also find the smallest altitude. क्या निकालना है हमको? Smallest altitude. अब smallest altitude क्या होगा? Now suppose this is your triangle and the sides are your 3x, 5x, 7x. Clear? So for when we are taking 7x as the base, this will be the altitude. जब आप 3x को बेस लोगे तो ये altitude हो जाएगा, है ना? और जब इस 5x को बेस लोगे तो इस vertex से this will be the altitude. Is it clear? So how many altitudes we are having? We are having the 3 altitudes. Okay. Now the altitude which corresponding to the largest side, altitude corresponding to the largest side will be smallest. अगर इस ट्राइंगल को मैं जरा ऐसे बना दूं तो देखो, longest side smallest altitude. Okay. And the smallest side longest altitude. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा अल्टीट्यूड है. आप कौन से अल्टीट्यूड को लोगे? व्हाट इज आस्क्ड? फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट अल्टीट्यूड. अब हमको ये मालूम है, अपन ये समझ गए कि विच अल्टीट्यूड विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट. द अल्टीट्यूड करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द लार्जेस्ट बेस विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट. तो हमारा ये अल्टीट्यूड क्या होगा? स्मॉलेस्ट होगा. एंड what is the area when altitude and the base is given? What is the area? So area of the triangle will be half base into height or the altitude. So which term we are taking as the, which side we are taking as the base? 7x. और 7x क्या था? 140. है ना? x की वैल्यू कितनी थी? We are putting the value, we had put the value of the x and we got the base as 140. And we are not having any information about the height. We have to find this height. Question clear hai? Now, for this triangle, this is the area by Hero's formula. And for the same triangle, this is also the area by the formula in which altitude and the base are used. Both are representing the area of the same triangle. Hence, these two should be equal. So this implies 1500 root 3 is equal to half into 140 into h. ये पॉइंट क्लियर है? ये भी इसी ट्राइंगल का एरिया, ये भी इसी ट्राइंगल का एरिया, तो दोनों क्या होंगे? सेम होना चाहिए वैल्यू. Now 2 70s are, so this will be upon 70 is equal to h. तो अब कैंसिल होके कितना आ जाएगा? 0 0 cancel. So what is our h? H will be 150 upon 7 root 3 meter. Now is it clear? It means according to the question we have to choose the altitude and the base, and using both the formula we can find the height of the given triangle.